everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making homemade hand sanitizer because we didn't find any, and I live in Florida and there's a lot of cases of coronavirus in Florida. So we went to Walmart and all that and we couldn't find hand sanitizer. So now we got all the ingredients and we're making our own homemade hand sanitizers. These are already done. When you make them, they're not going to be so, it's not going to be so perfect, but it's going to be a little watery. So yeah, I already have this one, only with gel. So these are the ingredients and what you'll need. You'll need some of these containers, and you'll need 70% alcohol, and you'll need this kind of gel. So I don't know how to pronounce it, but it's just some kind of gel. And all these things are from Dollar Tree. They come 3 in 1 package. These 2 are from Family Dollar, and this is from Walmart. So here we go. We have this. We already added this, which is from Dollar Tree. Now we just need to add the alcohol, the 70% alcohol. This is so hard. Okay. Oh my god. I'm sorry, guys. Okay. So now you have to close it. You could add this because the gel is very stinky. It doesn't really have a smell. It has a smell, but it's a very bad smell. So if you want to add some smell to it, we have this peppermint oil from Dollar Tree. I already said that 3 times. So now you have to shake it like this. Don't shake it like you normally do with other ones like this, because then I don't know what will happen, but just don't do it. So just shake it like this. Looks like it. Okay. Oh, it stinks. I'm sorry, guys. You can only add a couple of drops of this. Okay, so everybody, I finished shaking this. Normally, you'll need to shake this the same way, and each time you use it, you have to shake it before you use it, because it's just gonna get out of place. So yeah, now we're on to the next bottle. This is my first time. First, you're going to add this. Okay. When you're done putting this, you have to tap it on the table or wherever you're doing it, but in a smooth area. Okay, that's good. Now I'm going to add this peppermint roll-on peppermint oil. We normally took the thing off. Okay. Guys. Okay, that's good. I think that's good. Now we have to put the alcohol. Okay, so guys, it doesn't matter if it turns watery, because the most important part, the alcohol is the watery part, and it's the most important part to the ingredients, because if you don't add it, this is the thing that kills all the bacteria from your hands. So it's the most important thing that you need for this hand sanitizer. So yeah, now let's pour it. I'm doing it this way because it's easier. Ah. Oh, it did. Anyways.
This is hard for me because I'm not the best at doing this.
Okay. Okay, so now we finished with the second one. Now we're going to the third one. This is hard. There you go. Okay. No, not yet, not yet. Yep.
I think that should be enough. Okay, I'm gonna check and see before.
Okay, so guys, I finished with my 6 bottles of homemade hand sanitizer. And if they're watery, it doesn't matter, because they should be watery. And even if it's so watery, it's the best for that, because it doesn't matter. So remember, these bottles of hand sanitizer, the hand sanitizer makes your hands smooth, soft, and then make them fresh and clean. So you could put these in your pockets, because they're pocket size. Shake it before you use it. So take them wherever you need or wherever you're going. So yeah, be safe outside. Cough in your elbows. Wash your hands as many times as you can. And I'll see you next time. Make sure you subscribe and hit the like button. And I'll see you next time. Bye.